Hello guys, welcome back again with me, Mr. Alice. Today I want to show you my experiment on painting your gunpla with dipping method. Is this method gonna work? Let's check it out. Well, I've tried 8 methods in this experiment. First method by directly dipping into primer and second method with common color. I tried on them because we know primer and normal paint have different properties. To protect my precious cutting mat from any mess, I will cover it with my keyserve. Now let's try our first experiment with primer. Nope, just no. Now you know. You cannot do this. Next, let's try with normal color paint. Is the result will be different? Nope. Dip your gunpla directly into paint, just a bad idea. So don't try this anymore. For next experiment, I've got my inspiration from famous dipping technique, hydro dipping. If it works on other media, will it work on gunpla? In this third try, I will use primer. So I've prepared all material that I need. Now all I need to do is just drop some primer on the water. And when I think it's enough, we will dip our gunpla. I have a problem here where the primer is not distributed evenly, maybe because of its property. But I will do my best to make a layer I can dip my gunpla there. I think it's enough. Now, the moment of truth. Well, as you can see, I failed to distribute the primer evenly. As I said before, maybe primer property is not suitable to use in this method. And this is how it looks when it's dry. Next, I will try hydro dipping with several colors from spray can. But first, I need to extract the paint from this spray can. I don't bother wearing any gloves. Wearing gloves doesn't add any value to my handsomeness. This time I will use a part that has been primer, because we know primer cannot be used in hydro dipping. And again, I will drop some paint on the water, and I will try to make some random pattern. Well, it's not that easy as it looks, but again, I will do my best. Whatever. Let's just try it. Well, the result is unexpected, and I think the problem is I made the paint layer is too thick. So in next experiment, I will try to make the paint layer as thin as possible. Here I see something strange. There is a difference with the previous experiment where I dripped blue paint first. Now, when I drip yellow and red paint first, This time it looks different. I understand now. Blue pen doesn't seem to want to mix with red and yellow. This is probably because I use a different brand for the blue pen. Now we know something that don't use a different brand of pen for this method. Now is the time. I don't want the remaining pen layer on the top of the water to get on the part. So I'll clean up the remaining paint. And this is the result. I think the results are very good. Let's wait for it to dry. The result is very smooth and I think this method can be used to paint Gunpla. Maybe when using a different color combination like camouflage, it would be more interesting. Then it depends on how creative you are. Now next question. Can this method to be used for only one color? Let's just try it. Well, it can cover all the part, but to make it distribute evenly, that's the problem. I don't know, maybe it's just my incompetence to make it. And now the conclusion from our experiment if you want to dip your gunpla into the paint. First, use hydro dipping method. Second, use minimal two colors. And last, never use paint from different brands.